Christmas is coming, and you are probably looking for Shark vacuum gift ideas. Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best choices we think you should consider. And the best part? We already collected them for you. All you need to do is click this link below, choose your favorite, and start your countdown for Christmas. Number 1, a lightweight 2-in-1, lift-away upright vacuum. With a detachable canister for portable cleaning power. With the push of a button, lift-away technology allows you to lift the canister away and easily clean in hard-to-reach areas. By Shark. Number 2, the Shark Iron Robot Vacuum R85. With Smart Sense Navigation 2.0 and a multi-axis bumper for advanced object detection. Makes it easy to stay ahead of everyday upkeep in your home. Another great product by Shark. Number 3, the Shark Apex Upright Vacuum delivers Shark's ultimate cleaning experience in a full-sized upright. Equipped with DuoClean technology, it grabs large particles, pulls in piles, and directly engages hard floors for a beautiful, polished look. Christmas 2018 is almost here. Click this link below for more great offers and ideas. Get yours now.